Uh, so let's start. So today, the first thing is setting up a remarketing campaign or setting up a remarketing code first. For that, what you have to do is you have to go into Audience Manager. Any one of you can share a Google AdWords screen with me. I can instantly, with the setting up a new Google conversion code, I can help you. Any one of you can share the screen with me quickly so that a fresh setup how it works I can show it to you. Aditya, go ahead. You can share your screen, I believe. I have allowed multiple people to share the screen at a time.
Yeah, so you can all see it.
Sorry?
I'm saying, is it shared? You can see it.
Give me a second. I believe others can see it. I can't see it. So let me do the stop sharing. Now I can see it. Yeah, go ahead. So what you have to do is you have to go into tools and settings, then uh, shared library, audience manager. Yeah, click on that. You already have created it. Oh, yeah. Can somebody else share their
but it's
audience?
it seems to be
Size
blank.
is 0 maybe because you have not the code have not working right now, maybe because of that. But anyone else can share their screen. It would be great. Aditya, you can stop your screen, please. Stop sharing it. Yeah, thanks. Anyone just quickly share it. It will take 5 minutes to set up the remarketing code method. Aditya, Prithvi, Ranjana, Uday, Shiv, Sudhanshu, Tanya, any one of you quickly share your screen, please. Give me a second. How it works is you have to go into audience sources and then detail of the tag, that is Google ad tag. Over here, if I click on it, edit source. Okay, how to install it is very simple. Collect all the people who are visiting your website, then click on user ID. You are not taking it, so click on save and continue. Then is tag setup, which is very similar to Google conversion setup. Okay, click on that, install the tag. Okay, this is the same tag which was there in the conversion. Okay, so if you have pasted in the conversion code global site tag, then you don't have to paste it again. Okay, that same code will work, and after that, just click on continue, and your tag is set up. Okay, so no additional code actually required. Now, if I go to audience list, how you can create lists for different sources for different things is very simple. Click on plus sign, click on website visitors. You want to track people who have visited a page, people who have visited another page, people who didn't visit the another page, people who visited during specific days, people who have visited with a specific tab. Hello?
I was just checking my audience sources. So nothing has been set up as of now. If you want,
because your code is not placed.
But it is asking me to set up like Google Ads tag, Google Analytics, App Analytics, YouTube, Google Play, everything. So nothing is set up as of now. If you want, I can share a screen.
Because,
and you can probably.
Aditya, yesterday we generated a code. That code needs to be placed. That global site tag. If you place it, it will automatically take the source. Okay. So you can specifically target those people who visited any specific page of your website. Okay. For example, somebody you are running a retargeting campaign for, let's say, a specific course. let's take the example of Henry Hoven. So let's suppose I want to target people who have visited, let's say, management. Okay. In management, we have three different courses. So we click on the first course that who have visited this page, I want to target them and show my ad. So what I did is I copy that page URL and go over here and put my URL and I will select equal to. Okay, equal to means if user visits this specific page, then only my ad will be, then the user will be add to the my remarketing list. Okay, so I say Sigma green belt. Okay, so if people uh, visit this particular page, then my ad will be shown to them. In last 30 days, it says that I can target people who have visited are around 1500 to 2000. Okay. And if I want to target, let's say, all the Six Sigma users, not green belt, I have two courses in it. Let's suppose I want to show them black users of black belt course also, the same ad. Okay. So I will put this. Okay. Remember, we over here, the condition is or user either visited this page or this page. Okay, if we use the and condition means the user must visit this page and the second page. Okay, so always try to based on your requirement, you will use or and. Okay, based on your requirement. So right now I don't require black belt, so I will use green belt. And now it is a question. You want to start this list empty, means zero users, or you want to use the data of people who have visited your website in last 30 days. So I select that. Then membership duration is critically important. The maximum duration is 540 days. So always try to depend on your business type. You can show the ad to your users again and again till the time you want. Like in the case of course, generally in a 3 months duration, a user generally takes his decision that he wants to buy the course or not. You can make a remarketing list of 540 days, approximately 1.5 years. You can retarget them. Okay, and then click on create the audience. So this is how your audience is created. If I click on that audience or search that audience, you will see Six Sigma green belt. It's populating and it is around 1500 to 1000 viewers. Okay, this is how it is created. Is that clear to everyone how to create a remarketing list? Ranjana has you can reply one or two based on your understanding. Second, Ranjana says, do we need to have coding knowledge for this? No, Ranjana, you don't require a coding knowledge to it. You have to just send the details to your web developer. He will install it. You primarily, as a digital marketer, you have to just run the campaigns. You don't have to go into coding and set up these tags. You tell that these are the tags, you do it, and for setting up the remarketing, you should know the URL of it, which doesn't require any coding. Okay, so Danshu asked me repeat once again. Okay, so I'm telling you how to set up a remarketing list again. Click on website visitors. Let's say I want to create a remarketing list of CDCW. Okay, this is our course. And let's go on course right now, content and content writing. Okay, so I copied this URL, pasted over here. It tells me this is my audience. Pre-filled list I want to use, yes. And then after that, people should stay in my remarketing list for 90 days. And that's all. Click create audience. That's all. How to use it? I give you a demo. Okay.
Sir, what is this pre-fill audience?
Pre-filled audience is primarily like you are running a Google AdWords campaign. Your code is already placed on the website. Okay. You want that audience who is already visited in last 30 days. You want to show ads to them, or you want to start fresh. So it's
Yes.
obvious
Yes.
that we will use the pre-filled audience.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how to use it? Let me show you a demo of it. Like this is a campaign which is running for Six Sigma Green Belt. Let's click on it. Okay, there is already an ad group. In that ad group, let me define my audience. I clicked on audience. Okay, click on edit audience, and then I will add my list, that is green belt. Okay, or you can, okay, here you find the audience list, add it. You can see how many impressions you can get, save it. Now, whatever ad you have created in this will be visible to your audience.